I currently post over 150 times every single month, and I do this in under 30 minutes thanks to the systems that I have in place. More eyeballs on you means more eyeballs on your business, which means more money in the bank. So in this video, I'm gonna pull back the curtain and show you exactly how we do it. So if you're already posting short form content, I'm gonna show you how to get even more results by growing your audience and signing more clients. So this is a system that you set up one time, and you're ready to go. So this entire process revolves around my shorts pipeline, and I use the platform called Notion for the project management, but there's a lot of good ones out there like Trello, for example, or Monday. So basically, I'm able to track all the videos that we have in the pipeline from the very top with the editing team to the middle when I'm checking it and posting it, to the bottom with my VA, which is then going to repurpose and share it across all the platforms. So basically, I record a video one time and I'm able to get it edited very simply and also repurposed and shared across all the platforms so that basically all my efforts are multiplied multiple different times over. So right now at the very top here, I have the to-dos, in progress, revision, and ready. This has to do with my editing team. And then I approve the video and I post it on Instagram, which is like my main platform. I like to have a good pulse on this platform and really post the content myself so that I can really understand exactly what's happening, how is it going, and also understand better what I should do moving forward. And once I posted it on IG, then my VA comes in and she repurposes it and sends it everywhere. So with this entire system, it makes it very easy to know exactly what's happening when it comes to your content and makes the process a lot easier for you to get better results. So I'm going to break everything down to you exactly how everything works and how you can use it inside of your own business. So at the very top here, we have the to-dos. So this is for the editing team itself. And whenever a new video pops inside of here, they know they need to start working on it. So a video automatically gets added to this board once it gets shown and uploaded into my content folder. So I have this content folder. I record my different short form videos. I upload them in here. Zapier is a if this then that type of software, and so they have different triggers attached to different softwares that can then send different information to other softwares and basically create a lot of different automations that wouldn't otherwise be possible. So in this case, I have the trigger that gets set up whenever a new file is uploaded into this particular folder. So we have the new file that gets uploaded, and then the Zap is going to then read the file and decide how large of a file it is. So we also have a YouTube editing team and we have a short form editing team. So based on the size of the file, it'll know whether or not it's a short form video or long form video. Long form is obviously going to be a lot larger because of the size of the video and how long it is. And so if it's a short form video, basically it'll come into this path right here. It'll then announce the new video inside of our Slack channel, and then it'll add the video into our Notion board. So within the Notion board, it'll then get added. And on the board, we're gonna have the title of the video, we're gonna have the status as to do, and we'll have the raw link to the video itself so that the editing team can automatically, very easily find this new video. They can just click on this link. It'll pop them right into the Google Drive, and all they have to do is just download the file itself and get to work, basically. So that's the very first step right here. I just record my video how I usually would, and then I upload it into the content folder, which then automatically gets picked up by Zapier, which then sends it over to our editing team. So once the team starts working on it, they then move it over to in progress. And once the video has been edited and is completed, they then move it over to ready. So whenever the video gets moved to ready, my VA, my virtual assistant, she then goes in there and checks the video itself. So most of my videos right now, I actually just script them. I find it a lot easier for me to just focus on delivering the value, my tonality, and everything else if I just script it beforehand. But we're currently doing a mix of both. But if the video is scripted, basically my VA is gonna come in here. She's gonna look at all the to-do videos. She's gonna grab the script and also send it to the editing team so that they have the script. They can use that to edit the video. But also when the video is ready, she'll then go in here and actually check the video the first time for myself. So this allows me to save a lot of time already just because she's already first going to be checking the videos. So I have an SOP for her as well. So basically whenever we have the video first in the to-do section, she's going to find the script inside of recorded, right? She comes into here. Here's the script, she copies it, she then adds a video or the script to the video under to-dos. So that's the first part right there. And the second part here, as I just mentioned, she also goes in there and checks the edits on the videos as well. So whenever the video is added to ready, she then checks it really fast and recommends any types of comments if needed. So if the video does have some edits that are needed, we might add some comments just like this one, for example. So in this case, they had some weird caps on the second word. So I just told them to remove it. I add the comment, and whenever it's in ready, if I add a comment, I then move it over to revision. So now I can simply just basically communicate with my team without really having to send messages back and forth. We just speak directly on the video itself. We can keep track of everything. So basically from here, the video gets uploaded to To-Do. Once the team starts working on it, they move it to in progress. Once the video is ready, they move it to ready. My VA then checks the video. If it needs revisions, we send it back up here, okay? And once the revisions have been completed, they move back to ready. And once my VA approves it, then I check the video. And if I think it needs revisions, I send it back to revision. But if I think it's ready to go and we're ready to post, I move it to approved. All right? And of course, whenever my editing team has the video edited as well, they added the link right here. So basically very easily, whenever I post a video, I just uploaded it, or in the future, I can very easily keep track of, okay, here's the raw video without any edits. And also here is the edited video very simply, right? So it makes it so easy to keep track and communicate and just overall make this an entire business when it comes to content. So now we have the video that's approved. Okay, so the video has been approved. I went over it, I added my comments, my VA first approved it, then I approved it. And so now we have the finalized edited video. So inside of here, I can basically stack videos back to back and just build up my pipeline of shorts that I can then post on my platforms. So I usually like to batch record content. So I might record between 4 all the way up to 10 shorts in one sitting. I might do this once or twice a week. And so I can basically stack a lot of videos, send them to my editing team. We can work together on getting them ready and completed. And then inside of here, I can just stack a bunch of videos so that in the future, if I'm traveling, if I'm moving around, or if I'm not available, I still have a lot of videos that are ready to go. And it makes it still very easy for me to keep track of everything. So now inside of here, we have the approved videos. And so once they're approved, I know that I can then post them. So once I have the video itself, I'm then going to grab it myself and post it on Instagram. So as I mentioned, Instagram is my main platform. I think it's a great platform to run our business because there's so many things that we can do. We can post stories, we can post carousels, we can post reels, we can add links. I mean, there's so much to do here. We can boost posts with ads. So it's my main hub, and I could delegate the posting of this platform very easily to my VA because posting on Facebook is the exact same process as posting on Instagram to do it through the Meta platform. But again, I like to have a pulse on what's happening on this platform. I'm posting myself, I'm creating the captions, and I think it makes it a lot of a smoother process, even though I'm having to do it myself. So now I'm gonna grab the video. I have it from the edited link section. I'll then download it. I'll then go to the Instagram platform and upload the video. I'll then create the caption myself. And once the video has been uploaded, I then move it. I move the status, or I just drag the item into posted IG. So once it's in posted IG, we can also stack these up as well. But if it's in posted IG right here, now my VA comes into these and everything else is delegated. So she'll then actually grab the video itself, she'll grab the caption, and she'll grab all the information she needs to then repurpose this video across all the platforms. So here's the original script, and then she's gonna add the IG link itself to the video. So again, it's very easy to track everything across all of our content right here. And then we have the caption of the video itself right below. So now whenever she's ready to post across all the other platforms, she has all the information she needs, right? She has the video itself through the link. She has the tracking platform. She has a caption. So now she has the ability to post this video very easily. So from here, I then have a very simple process. I basically grab or give her access to all different platforms that I have, and she's able to log in and very simply just post a video. So I created SOPs for every single one of these different platforms, and all she has to do is simply go in here. She can follow the different steps and post the video itself. So basically now, through this entire process here, I can keep track of what my editing team is doing, how many videos do we have that are ready to go that I can post this week, and how many videos have we posted overall across all different platforms. So as I mentioned, we are posting across IG, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, and YouTube, or on School, School and YouTube. So that's about 7 platforms. 109 have been added to this particular board before I started implementing this. So that's 700 videos across all platforms. So this allows me, again, to grow my audience even further, attract even more attention, and that makes signing more clients a lot of an easier process. So that's the entire process I use to manage and repurpose all different short form videos that I create. So if you want a video training showing you how to recruit your own VA, you can find that right here. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want some more videos and more trainings on growing your coaching business and creating all these different systems, be sure to subscribe and check out all different training videos on my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you soon.